Hello everyone, welcome back to LiveDocs again. And as promised, today I'm going to show you how do you create documents in LiveDocs. How do you create an AI agent based LiveDocs notebook. So this is the first step you're gonna do. Click on this button, create documents, and if you wanted to know how all this interface works, go to the previous tutorial that I have, and yeah, so this tutorial is mostly going to talk about how to use the notebook. So let's begin. When you first land on the page, this is what you will see. The start prompting, again the same chat box that you can talk with AI agents, drop your file, and this one is to mention any file you have uploaded in your database here, and then ask AI any questions that you want, and then you can either start with a blank document, or you want to query with DuckDB, database write back, or fetch API data. Ask the AI agent to fetch the data, and I will talk more about that. You can either connect database, upload a file, import a Jupyter. Yeah, this is a basic interface. And let's just start with a blank document. And from here, you would see you can create a chart. And from a chart, you can select a table. And then you can write SQL query. But first, you need to select a data source. Or you can just write a Python code, have text in it in markdown sections like title. This is just an example. Yeah, and the last one, not the last one, you can have a table as well. First, I need the database. And then there are more things you can add here. And then on the sidebar, this is the AI agent, where you can just ask AI to do anything you want, to fetch the data, to connect, to read about your data, to clean your data. And then the data explorer, it's where you will find all of the data sets that you uploaded. On the file, you can see a lot of data set that we have created. And then you'll be able to schedule your tasks, your data tasks. For example, you want this to be run on Monday, 2 p.m. and then it will run it for you if you have this turned on. And the setting, you can turn the theme into light or to dark, or then some shortcuts here. So that's the basic walkthrough for that. And I'm not gonna ask AI these sections. I'm just gonna quickly create a table and a chart, and then some Python code with existing database that we have. Files, the sales data, the sales CSV, and I can add to document. And from here, you will see I have the sales data. Let me just run it for maybe just 10. To run it, click on this, and then now I have my sales data. I'm just gonna delete this. So this is how you load the things in there. And this is the variable for this whole cell. You will see data frame, and you will be able to find the variables here as well. Okay, now the chart, select a table. I'm gonna use this. So data frame, and you can create any charts you want here. I just stick to the group column, and then maybe have city, and then the y-axis we will have maybe quantity cell, and there you go. Aggregate number of records, and then here as well you can select any aggregations value or any missing records, sum of all the product form, mean, average, variance, anything. And here is a really weird chart, maybe a group column maybe will be suitable. So yeah, you can see in the city of Mandalay, you've got 172.7 total sales, and then in the city of this, and this has different numbers of total sales. And apart from that, you can have different styling, and then apart from that, you can write something like text. Maybe this is the sales record. And once you're done, you run it, and then you can move this to the top as you want. I'm just going to delete this. So this is the basic interface of the notebook without the AI. And then after that, you can create an app. An app is basically just like a way to show a presentations, they wouldn't be able to see all this Python code that you created. They will just see what you share in like a slide, slides of presentations, a data presentation. You can add everything in there. And then apart from that, if you're lazy to change the title, you can just click on this and ask the AI to just generate the title for you. And also the descriptions. And then once you're done with that, you can share and publish the app. And now your app is shareable. When you go to the tab and then when you share it, people is gonna see your app live. And that's how you create a basic notebook that's like shareable for everyone. The next tutorial you will see how we can connect Postgres and other database, uploading files and stuff. So stay tuned for the next tutorial. See you again.